you guys, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Foodie Friday at Contemporary Mama. I am super excited for this video because I'm going to be sharing with you three different ingredient dinners. Yes, I know I share a lot of cooking and recipe dinners on my channel, so it might seem like I enjoy preparing gourmet meals every single night, but that is so not the case. Multiple nights a week, I just need something quick and easy just to get dinner on the table fast. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you today. Now, if you enjoy this type of video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up so I know to create more like this in the future because I have a ton of different ideas. So let's head right on into my kitchen and get started on these 3 ingredient dinners. We're going to be starting with the easiest crockpot chicken tacos.
So those chicken tacos I just mentioned couldn't be easier. You just need to grab 3 chicken breasts, 16 ounces of salsa, and a block of cream cheese. So this utilizes your crock pot, which makes it even easier. I spray mine down and then just place my chicken breasts at the bottom. When I grab my block of cream cheese, I'm just going to cube it up. This is going to make it melt a little bit more evenly. And then you just place those all over your chicken breasts. You're going to top this with your salsa. I'm just using traditional red salsa, but I'm sure green salsa or any kind that you have would work perfectly fine. This is going to cook on low anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, depending on how hot your crock pot cooks. And then when your chicken is all the way cooked through, we are going to go ahead and shred it. Mine actually had a lot of liquid in it that I ended up draining most of before I shredded it up. I didn't want it to be too watery, but of course that's totally optional and may or may not be important depending on what you're planning on using this for. So shredded chicken is really versatile. Like I mentioned, this can be used for tacos, but I'm actually going to be making a taco salad. And so I'm just going to be placing this on a bed of lettuce with some vegetables and placing this creamy, flavorful chicken right on top. Next on the agenda, I am making a 3 ingredient lasagna. Now, I love making lasagna, but it is a little bit time consuming to do it the traditional way, so this is a great shortcut. So what I just showed you was a jar of tomato sauce, a bag of frozen ravioli, and also a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. So I grabbed a baking dish and I just placed a little bit of the sauce at the bottom, and then I'm going to be layering in these frozen raviolis. Now, lasagna is pretty much just noodles, sauce, and cheese, so we are skipping a lot of the work by using frozen raviolis in place of lasagna noodles. So you don't have to boil them, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just layer them in when they're already frozen. You don't even have to thaw them. So you can make as many layers as you want. Mine made about 2 layers. And then obviously once you place the raviolis, you're going to put some sauce and cheese on top and then just repeat the process until your lasagna is complete. Now, I know I said this was 3 ingredients, but it just felt wrong not to sprinkle some basil on top. You can definitely skip this step if you don't have it or if you really want to make it only 3 ingredients for some reason. But I just had to go add that in because I have basil growing like crazy in my garden now. So I'm topping it with some aluminum foil and then I'm placing this in a 350-degree oven. It's going to bake for 30 minutes. Then just take that foil off and let it bake until the cheese is nice and golden and bubbly. Last but not least, I'm going to make some meatball bowls. This is super easy and it's going to be made in the crock pot again. So here I have a bag of frozen meatballs, a jar of chili sauce, and a can of cranberry sauce. So I've seen a lot of different takes on these 3 ingredient meatballs on Pinterest. A lot of them use grape jelly and barbecue sauce, but I thought that this was a fun little take on it. And I think it would actually make a perfect appetizer for Thanksgiving because of that cranberry sauce. But anyways, while I was opening that can of cranberry sauce, I just poured the chili sauce in a bowl, added in the cranberry, and then just mixed that up. And it might seem like a weird combination, but it came together really nice. It's the perfect combination of sweet and savory. So I'm just placing those frozen meatballs in my crock pot, pouring the sauce on top before I'm giving that a nice big stir. Once it's all mixed up, this is either going to cook on low for 4 hours or high for 2 hours. The meatballs are already cooked through. You just have to warm everything up. And then when it's done, you have this delicious hot meatball mixture that your family is going to love. And to make it super easy, I just served it over a bed of frozen brown rice that I just microwaved.
All right, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing these 3 ingredient dinner ideas. Let me know all the way down in the comments which one of them was your favorite. And if you have any other easy dinner ideas, please leave them in the comments so that I can incorporate them into my meal plan for next week. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on Tuesday with another brand new video. Bye.